You train your body. You lift weights. You run, jump, push your physical limits. But let me ask you one thing. Do you train your mind? The mind. That invisible muscle that controls it all. If it breaks, the body follows. But if it holds, strong, nothing can stop you. The truth is brutal. Everyone wants to be strong, but few train discipline. Few face discomfort head-on. Few have the courage to wake up early, to keep going when everything hurts, to say no when yes would be easier. Training the mind is a daily act of silent bravery, because no one will applaud you for turning down distractions. No one will celebrate you for getting out of bed on the first alarm. But it's right there, exactly there, where you build what no one can take from you. Resilience. You want to change your life? Reach that goal that feels so far away? Then, start here. In the battlefield no one sees. In the internal war. In the fight against the voice that whispers, "Not today." You're tired. Do it tomorrow. Train your mind like a muscle. Strengthen it with habits. Stretch it with reading. Fortify it with silence. Feed it with discipline. Because the mind, just like arms and legs, grows when you push against resistance, and resistance, isn't comfortable. It's uncomfortable. It's exhausting. It's lonely. But it's essential. You won't be remembered for the promises you made to yourself, but for the battles you won in silence. Every morning you choose action. Every time you defeat laziness. Every moment you face your fear. You grow stronger, more resilient, more prepared for everything life will throw at you. Training your mind isn't about becoming cold. It's about becoming unshakable. You don't want an easy life. You want to be strong enough for any life. So stop hiding behind excuses. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop running from discomfort. Train your mind every single day, as if your life depends on it, because it does.